Have you ever stopped to wonder how a single tropical fruit can fuel industries, heal skin, nourish millions, and even regenerate the earth? In tropical farms across the globe, there's a quiet hero growing under the sun, the coconut. More than 70 million tons are harvested every year. But most of us only see the final product, never the full journey it takes. Behind every coconut is a human story, of farmers climbing towering trees with nothing but a rope and raw skill, of boats loaded with thousands of fruits sailing down calm rivers, and of machines spinning at incredible speeds to extract pure, fragrant oil drop by drop. But what makes the coconut so powerful? Why is it one of the most versatile, sustainable, and profitable natural resources on the planet? And how is this rough brown shell changing industries you wouldn't expect? From beauty to agriculture. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on the empire of the coconut, from the treetops to the factory floor, and revealing secrets you've probably never seen before. This isn't just about a fruit, it's about resilience, ingenuity, and the hidden magic inside nature's most underrated gift. Let's dive in. In the tropical heat of Southeast Asia, Africa, and Latin America, coconut farmers begin their day before the sun even peaks over the horizon. The air is thick, the soil is rich, and the trees, some as tall as 6-story buildings, stand like sentinels in the morning mist. These aren't typical farms. They're wild, living ecosystems. Each coconut tree is both a livelihood and a legacy, passed down through families who have worked this land for generations. Harvesting coconuts is not for the faint of heart. There are no cherry pickers or robotic arms. Just a farmer, a machete, and a tree. Climbing barefoot, gripping the bark, they ascend with a mix of muscle memory and instinct. A single slip could mean disaster, but they move with grace, experience etched into every motion. Each tree produces 70 to 100 coconuts annually. In just one grove, that can mean thousands of fruits swaying overhead, a floating fortune waiting to fall into calloused hands. When the coconuts hit the ground, the hard work continues. The husk is thick, fibrous, and tough to crack. Farmers thrust them against sharpened steel rods embedded in the soil, peeling each one with precision and power. It's exhausting, repetitive, and brutally physical. Yet within this raw labor, there's poetry, a rhythm of motion, sound, and sweat. It's not just farming, it's a ritual, an unspoken connection between people and nature, a daily conversation between man and tree. Every cut, every pull, every drop of effort adds value to what may seem like a humble fruit. But in truth, this is a miracle wrapped in a husk, and this is only the beginning of the coconut's incredible journey. Once the coconuts are harvested and husked, they begin a journey that feels almost ceremonial, one as ancient as the trees themselves. Farmers gently load them onto small wooden boats, each one carefully stacked with the fruits of hours of labor. There's no rush, no loud engines, only the sound of paddles slicing through water, birds overhead, and a rhythm passed down through generations. These boats drift along quiet rivers, surrounded by palm shadows and the rich scent of salt, bark, and earth. It's a route etched into the land, a slow-moving sacred trade route that connects isolated groves to bustling village collection points. As the hours pass, more boats join the river's flow, forming a kind of floating convoy. It's beautiful and humbling, nature and humans working in harmony. At the collection centers, the atmosphere shifts. Men and women unload their boats in synchronized motions. Thousands of coconuts form pyramids under the shade of massive thatched roofs. Each coconut is inspected, sorted by size and quality, and cataloged. This isn't chaos, it's coordinated efficiency rooted in deep knowledge. But there's little time to rest. Soon, the trucks arrive. With roaring engines, they replace the calm of the river. The fruits are loaded, layer after layer, into metal cages. The scent of diesel replaces the breeze, and the journey accelerates. From water to wheels, from ancestral hands to modern logistics, the coconut never stops. It's in constant motion, passing through cultures, systems, and economies, each step building its value. What began in silence and softness now rumbles toward transformation. This fruit, once hidden high in the trees, is about to meet the future, and what happens next will completely change the way you see a coconut. When the trucks finally reach the processing facility, the tone shifts entirely. Gone are the quiet rivers and slow movements. Here, everything pulses with urgency and precision. Inside the factory, technology meets tradition. The air hums with the sound of machines, Grinders, extractors, centrifuges, all working in unison to transform a humble fruit into liquid gold. First, the coconuts are manually cracked open by workers wielding steel tools with exacting rhythm. Each hit is practiced, efficient, and powerful. The broken shells are quickly separated from the rich white meat inside. That meat is then washed, grated, and ground into a fine paste. The scent that fills the room is intoxicating, creamy, nutty, warm. The paste is loaded into towering steel containers, each holding up to 1,000 liters. Then comes the real magic. Centrifugation. The paste is spun at thousands of revolutions per minute. From this storm of motion, the oil rises to the top, pure, clear, and aromatic. It's separated from water and impurities with surgical precision. Nothing is wasted. The remaining pulp is dried and turned into coconut flour. The shells, repurposed for charcoal or organic fertilizer. Here, every part of the coconut is honored. It's not just processing, it's transformation. From tree to treasure, from local harvest to global commodity. Behind the noise and steel, you still find hands, human hands guiding the machines, checking the quality, ensuring that what leaves this factory is worthy of the journey it took to get here. This is where nature meets science, where centuries of tradition evolve into modern excellence, and where the story of the coconut becomes a product that touches lives around the world. And yet, its potential doesn't stop here. What happens to the parts of the coconut we don't eat or bottle? That's where the story gets even more surprising. The dried coconut meat, or copra, is rich in fiber and nutrients. It's turned into flour, protein powders, and even vegan-friendly snacks that are gaining popularity worldwide. But the outer shell, often seen as waste, is far from useless. It's ground into fine particles and used to create activated charcoal, water filters, and eco-friendly fuel. In rural communities, it replaces wood and gas, providing a cleaner alternative that protects forests. And the husk? Its fibers are woven into mats, brushes, ropes, and biodegradable packaging. In organic farming, it's used as a soil enhancer, retaining moisture and enriching the land without chemicals. What was once discarded is now part of a circular economy. Nothing is thrown away. Every fragment of the coconut is repurposed with purpose. This isn't just about sustainability. It's about redefining waste as resource and showing the world how a single fruit can power entire industries with zero leftovers. The coconut doesn't just give once, it gives again and again. A single coconut travels farther than most of us ever will. From towering trees and hand-carved boats to roaring factories and sustainable futures, it carries within it the story of tradition, resilience, and reinvention. It's easy to overlook a fruit we see in supermarkets or cosmetic labels, but now you know the journey, the hands behind it, the science within it, and the communities it uplifts. The coconut isn't just a product, it's a symbol of what's possible when we respect nature, innovate with care, and make the most of what we're given. So next time you taste coconut water, apply coconut oil, or see a product made from its shell, remember the journey it took to get there, because behind that simple fruit is an empire built not on machines, but on humans, on harmony, and on a powerful belief that nothing should go to waste. If this story opened your eyes to the world of the coconut, hit like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible journeys that lie hidden in the most unexpected places.